Yeah, this at Market caught these cars. You see Bobby Labonte looks like he just loses it, gets loose with that car right up behind him there. But Mark had been there for a while, and you can see Mark spinning now. Not much you can do except hold on and lock the brakes as a driver at this point in time. And right there, oh. Yeah, I was lucky those crew members weren't injured.
The Toyota lights ablaze. Make sure the slower cars see them. Here we go. Oh my God! Oh my God! The Mercedes has taken off. That's Peter Dumbreck at the wheel of the number 5 Mercedes. The car flew right up in the air, over the barriers, over the wire, and into the trees. Let's look at this again. This is an awful accident. An awful accident. He moves out of the slipstream of the Toyota, and the car just takes off. That looks horrifically like a replay of what happened to Mark Webber, who I hasten to add.
Hold on again.
Et il y a aussi d'autres voitures, on revoit cette image en ralenti. Alors il y a l'accident terrible, le tonneau pour la Porsche. C'est la Porsche numéro 19 de l'équipe Manila Lucaides. Et là c'est un crash absolument terrifiant.